When you decide where to buy a property in Turkey to make money by leasing it afterwards, it is important to choose a target category of tenants. Business people and young individuals who develop their businesses, work, and study live in big cities. Retirees prefer quiet, laid-back resort places with unhurried living. Families with children have certain preferences too. Watch our new video for details. So, it is better to opt for apartments in a megalopolis or resort city to make sure your investment in a buy-to-rent property generates a steady income. Foreign entrepreneurs, local business people who do not own a home, and Turkish and international students are the target audience for landlords wanting to lease residences in Istanbul. It is here that major retail outlets, offices of major companies, entertainment venues, quality leisure offerings, best hotels and restaurants, and renowned educational institutions are concentrated. Small apartments in well-situated districts, such as Beylikdüzü and Beyoğlu in the European part of the city and Kadıköy and Üsküdar in the Asian half of Istanbul, are not likely to stay vacant. Tenants who come to work, live, or study in Antalya are also very active. In this case, it is the residence's proximity to universities, schools, shopping malls, and medical centers that matters. Even apartments in buildings with minimum amenities, meaning those that require the smallest investment, are in demand in Antalya. Foreigners who stay in Antalya for a long time are more interested in districts like Lara and Konyaaltı. These tenants are ready to pay for grounds with amenities, swimming pools, and fitness centers, that is for comfort and security. Apartments in residential complexes located in Alanya's districts of Oba, Mahmutlar, Sikşili, and Demiritas are perfect in this respect. Wealthy foreigners are happy to rent comfortable apartments and villas on the Bodrum Peninsula. Unlike resorts in the Antalya region, however, local demand for rental homes is more seasonal. As for retirees, Antalya and Alanya are great choices too. English retirees admittedly prefer villas in Fethiye, but only major investors can afford this real estate. Antalya and Alanya, on the other hand, have plenty of quiet districts with extensive amenities near beaches where apartments are perfectly affordable. In these places, every senior tenant will find something to do. Swim in a pool or in the sea, exercise at the gym, go to hammam, or simply kick back amidst lush greenery. Turk Estate. Make your dream come true. Live by the sea now.